Hello guys, in the previous videos we learned how to draw 2D sketches. Now it's time to turn our 2D sketches into 3D models. In this segment we'll learn how to do that and about a feature called boss or base feature, using which we convert our 2D diagrams into 3D models. In the feature option you can see there are 5 options: extruded boss or base feature, revolved base, swept base, lofted base, boundary base. So let's begin with extruded boss base feature. What it does is it extrudes a sketch or selected sketch contour in one or two directions to create a solid feature. To start with this, we need to first draw a simple sketch. Select top plane and we'll draw a simple circle. Now let's add dimension to it. I'll set it as 100 mm. Our sketch is now fully defined. See, it's important that whenever you are sketching a diagram that you should emphasize on making the sketch fully defined. It makes our work easy with no confusion in the final drawing or during the manufacturing process. Now we exit the sketch and we go to features. Select the extruded boss or base feature. See, on the left hand side there are some options like from which plane you want to start your extrusion, direction 1, direction 2, thinning feature and selected contours. From is selected as sketch plane. That means your extrusion is starting from the plane on which the sketch exists. You can select it as a specified plane or specified vertex, or you can select it as an offset. That means your extrusion will start from at a specified distance from the real sketch. In the direction 1 it is selected as blind. End condition blind means you have to select the direction and you have to select the depth of the extrusion. It is the depth of the extrusion, and this is to reverse the direction. It is now facing upward, the extrusion, and if I click on this, it is now the extrusion is downward. In the drop down to blind there are other options like up to vertex, up to the surface, offset from the surface, up to the body. These options are to use when you want to extrude your body or extrude your sketch up to the surface or up to a vertex. I'll show how it is done next. Mid plane means it uses your sketch plane as the mid plane and the extrusion is bidirectional. Like you can see here, this is your sketching plane. It is used as a mid plane and the extrusion is bidirectional in both directions. I'll select the depth as 20 mm. See, the depth is increased. Here it is the draft option, draft feature. See, now we have the 3D model like this. It's a simple roller or simple wheel. So what the draft option does, it is currently off right now. If I on the draft option, see what is done. It is selected as 20 degree. 20 degree means it is now drafting inwarding your object 20 degree. See, let me show you like this. This is a slope and this angle is 20 degree. This is 20 degree sloping inward. See, if I increase the depth like 100 mm, see what happened. It is like a cone. If I select draft outward, see, it is now like this. See, your sketch plane is this one, the mid plane, and the extrusion is drafting outward at an angle of 20 degree. You can also increase or decrease the angle. If I select 30 degree as an angle, the drafting is more. Let me select it as 20 degree and the distance is, depth is 20 see, now our 3D model is something like this. It's a wheel or roller with drafting outward from the midplane. Now the next option is thin feature. What thin feature does is it will make the whole body as a ring. If I select this, see what happened. Your solid model is now looking like a ring and it is extruding outward, and you can select the thickness of the ring, like it is selected as 10 mm right now. If I select it as 20 mm, see the ring is now 20 mm in thickness and the body is now extruding outward. If I select draft inward, see this has 10 mm. If I select OK, so we have now a 3D model of a kara or a bracelet. Now let's see some other things, like in the left hand side on the histories you can see your extrude option. You can right click on this and you can select to edit the feature, to edit the sketch, suppress the feature, roll back, hide the feature, zoom to selection, normal or appearance. These are used for resketching. You can edit the feature like this. You can change the drafting, change the depth, change the thin feature. On the down below it's selected contours. We have only one circle, so one contour, so there is nothing to be selected. If we have some complex sketches and you have to select some specific contours to be extruded like this, then you can select those contours in this and the extrusion will be done on those specific contours. Okay, that's it for today guys. In the next video we'll learn about the other base features like revolved base feature, flipped base feature, lofted base feature and boundary base features. So see you in the next video. Thank you.